Govee just announced their 3rd generation of permanent outdoor lights, and I somehow managed to get my hands on a set of them ahead of the launch. Now, there's no way I could have gotten these installed on my house quite yet, but I did set up a short test run to show off the most exciting features. And there's a lot to talk about. So stay tuned as we take a first look at the Govee Prism permanent outdoor lights. Hey there neighbors, it's Ryan the Tech Guy, and welcome back to This Smart House, your destination for the coolest in smart home gear and the best in smart automations. Now, the new Prism lights are Govee's 3rd iteration of permanent outdoor lights. And this addition to the lineup is easily the most advanced. Instead of just making the lights brighter or more vibrant, they did something brand new. Each lighting head includes 3 independent zones, which Govee calls triple color effect optics. This means gradients, patterns, or multicolored animations don't just come from a single point, they actually pass through 3 different lenses. This is a big step up from typical RGB or RGBW LED setups. And speaking of colors, Govee also introduced what they call Luminblend, which uses a 16-bit color processing chip and custom blending algorithms to deliver smooth transitions and more accurate soft tones, like pastels, pinks, and oranges. These typically look a lot more washed out on other LED platforms. They've also brought over a lot of the install improvements from last year's Pro line. This includes 4 cut and splice kits and segment extenders included right in the box. That means you can cut and customize these lights to your heart's content. Now, I installed a short test section over my small garage just to get a feel for how these lights perform, and you can already see the difference. I've got them installed right alongside my 1st generation Govee outdoor lights. The brightness is solid, the colors pop, and the transitions are buttery smooth. So if we compare them to the 1st generation Govee lights, you can see the difference. This is especially evident with the new optics, where it splits the single LED cluster into 3 separate areas, allowing for more of a blending effect. Now, like other Govee lights, there's over 100 preset scenes in the Govee app. This includes their AI-powered lightning bot and full music sync mode. My favorite part about these lights are how well they work together with other Govee lights. It's super simple to set up an impressive light show using their Dream View groups. Now, I can't wait to get mine installed before Halloween and sync up with my curtain and ground lights from last year. Now, of course, these being modern lights, they work with Matter, so you can use them with Apple Home, Alexa, Google, or Home Assistant. Or just use Govee's app for full DIY control, schedules, and animations. The Matter integrations are pretty limited. It allows you to trigger the lights on and off and set some basic colors, but for all the extra stuff, you're going to want to use the Govee app. Now, in the Govee app, it gives you the option to control all the lights as a single entity or control each individual cluster at a time. You can now even mix and match scene presets with different lights. So you could have one side of your house with one preset and the front of your house using a different one. That's a pretty neat upgrade. You also have the same features brought over from the other Govee lights, like Share Space, where you can get different presets from the community, DIY, where you can build your own presets, and of course the AI lightning bot that you can use to create a preset with just a prompt. Now, when it comes to build quality, Govee really leaned into durability on this one. The lights themselves are IP68 rated, and the controller and power adapter are both IP67. And of course, everything is UV resistant and rated from -22 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 140 degrees. It also looks like they improved the quick disconnects that became an issue on some of my 1st generation lights, so that's a big plus. And as I mentioned before, you can cut or extend the strings to match your layout. And installation is super easy using the 3M adhesive for quick layouts, plus the pre-drilled screw mounts for a more permanent hold. This is a big improvement over the 1st generation. This will help deal with some of the issues like saggy outdoor lights or weird spacing around corners. So I really appreciate that this system was clearly designed for real-world homes. No more blacking out lights with electrical tape or running them across transition sections. You can use the included extensions to jump from section to section on your home. Now, Govee was actually the first to market with consumer installable permanent outdoor lights back in 2022. And I really feel they led the space since then. The Prism model really builds on everything that they've done so far. And to me, it feels like a flagship product. There have been so many different iterations of permanent outdoor lights, it's nice to see a major feature update. Now, of course, I'm going to be doing a full install as soon as I can get a hold of someone with a tall ladder and an iron stomach. I'm planning on doing a detailed look at setup, wiring, and long-term performance. But I wanted to give you this early look while the product was launching. So right now at launch, it looks like these lights will come in 3 different lengths: 100, 150, and 200 feet. The price point for these lights are $539, $699, and $859. Now that might seem like a big chunk of change, but if you go look at standard Christmas light setup and installation, in most cases you'll make back your investment in a year or 2. Plus you can use them all year round. And I'm really impressed with the fact that they can drive a 200-foot segment of lights from a single power supply. Now it does look like there's some dynamic brightness controls in the app if you start adding these extensions in. So we'll have to see once I get all 200 feet up on the side of my house. Now please let me know down in the comments below what you want to see in the full installation. Whether it's animation testing, low temp durability, or how it compares with other brands that I've tested. So I really think if you've been holding off on upgrading your holiday or year-round lighting, these will be the ones to watch. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the install video. And a big thanks goes out to Govee for getting these in my hands early. Now if you want to see a video on integrating Govee lights with Home Assistant, I've got a dedicated one right over here. Or if you want to check out my other Govee light videos, I've got a playlist right over here. Thanks for making it this far, and I'll see you on the next video.